Welcome to Hamza's Learning. How do you know about animal? Let's find out with this animal quiz. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A elephant, B lion, C tiger. Lion. Which animal is the largest land mammal? A elephant, B rhino, C hippo. Elephant. Which bird is often associated with delivering messages? A owl, B pigeon, C hawk. Pigeon. Which animal has black and white stripes? A zebra, B tiger, C cheetah. Can you figure this one out? Zebra. Which animal is known for building dams? A beaver, B otter, C squirrel. Beaver. Which animal is famous for its long neck? A giraffe, B ostrich, C camel. Time to test your mind. Giraffe. Which animal can change its skin color to blend in? A frog, B chameleon, C snake. Chameleon. Which sea animal is known for its 8 arms? A octopus, B jellyfish, C starfish. Think fast. Can you get it? Octopus. Which animal is the tallest in the world? A elephant, B giraffe, C kangaroo. Only the sharpest minds will get this. Giraffe. Which animal is known for carrying its baby in a pouch? A koala, B kangaroo, C panda. Feeling clever? Prove it. Kangaroo. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A horse, B camel, C donkey. Camel. Which animal has a trunk? A elephant, B rhino, C hippo. Elephant. Which animal is known for its spots and speed? A cheetah, B leopard, C tiger. Cheetah. Which animal is known to laugh when happy? A horse, B dolphin, C hyena. Hyena. Which animal is called man's best friend? A cat, B parrot, C dog. Test yourself. Dog. Which animal lives in a colony called a pride? A lion, B elephant, C gorilla. Lion. Which animal can fly backward? A. Hummingbird. B. Eagle. C. Sparrow. Hummingbird. Which animal is known for its impressive memory? A. Elephant. B. Monkey. C. Dog. Elephant. Which animal can sleep standing up? A. Zebra. B. Horse. C. Giraffe. Horse. Which bird cannot fly? A. Penguin. B. Eagle. C. Crow. Penguin. Which animal is known for spinning webs? A. Spider. B. Caterpillar. C. Beetle. Spider. Which animal is the only marsupial found in North America? A. Kangaroo. B. Koala. C. Opossum. Opossum. Which animal is famous for its ability to mimic sounds? A. Parrot. B. Dog. C. Cat. Parrot. Which marine animal is known to have a smile? A. Whale. B. Dolphin. C. Shark. Dolphin. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A. Eagle. B. Albatross. C. Hawk. Albatross. Thanks for playing along. Hope you had fun testing your knowledge. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new quiz.